Hello, my name's Jocelyn. This video is about more useless phrases. This one is sing from your diaphragm. Because your diaphragm is always involved in breath, it's impossible not to sing from your diaphragm. It's integral in pushing air out of your body, whether you're singing or talking. When you take a breath, your diaphragm expands. And as soon as you stop breathing in, it wants to contract. So it's impossible to not sing with your diaphragm because that's literally how air is getting pushed out of your body. What people probably mean when they say sing from your diaphragm is partially about the breath. If you take a really shallow breath, breathe and raise your shoulders, you're probably not stretching your diaphragm. A big part of singing is learning to work with the diaphragm and stretch it as much as possible because it's a muscle. So the more you stretch your diaphragm, the more air you can usually take in. It's better to take low, deep breaths that basically your diaphragm pushes your intestines down to really maximize your diaphragm. That's where the expansion is. That's where the room is made. Okay, I hope this is helpful.